What if I told you that 90% of LA's small businesses are missing out on a gold mine? Imagine your local coffee shop bursting with customers thanks to one secret weapon: Google Ads. But here's the twist: it's not just about throwing money at ads, it's about launching campaigns laser targeted to LA's vibrant market. Picture this: your ad popping up right when someone craves coffee or needs your exact service. Now, here's the emotional kicker: these ads can transform dreams into reality, fueling local businesses to thrive in competitive streets. But wait, crafting these campaigns isn't easy. That's where an online marketing media service becomes your best ally, turning confusion into clarity. From keyword magic to perfect timing, they handle it all, letting you focus on what you love. Ready for the mind blow? Small biz owners who invest smartly in Google Ads grow 3x faster. So, why stay invisible? Your LA neighbors are searching right now. Will they find you or your competition? Want to unlock this power? Comment your business and let's spark your success.